In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online survey using Google Forms. We'll walk through building a simple professional survey from a blank form, adding multiple choice and open-ended questions, previewing the experience, and sharing it with your audience. First, open Google Forms in your browser and start a new form by selecting blank. This creates a clean canvas so we can control exactly what respondents see. Click the form title at the top and type Online Survey. Giving your form a clear title helps people immediately understand what they're filling out. Just below that, click the form description and add brief instructions. For example, please answer the questions below. Keep this concise, but set expectations, like how long it takes or who the survey is for, so participants feel confident completing it. Now let's add your first question. On the right-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to Add Question. Click into the question text field and type, "How satisfied are you with our service?" Next, open the question type dropdown and choose Multiple Choice. This format is great for quick, comparable feedback. Enter your answer options one by one. Very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, and unsatisfied. These ordered choices make it easy to analyze trends later and keep your results consistent and comparable. Let's add a follow-up for deeper insights. Click the plus icon again to add another question. In the text field, type, "What can we improve?" Open the drop-down and select Paragraph. This gives respondents room to explain their thoughts in detail. For critical questions, it's smart to make them required. Scroll to the bottom of this question and toggle Required to On. That ensures you won't miss valuable feedback from anyone who submits the form. Before sharing, preview the experience to make sure everything looks right. In the upper right corner, click the eye icon to open Preview. Test each option, type a sample response, and check that the layout is clear on both desktop and mobile. A quick preview helps you catch typos, adjust wording, and confirm that the form feels intuitive. When you're satisfied, it's time to share. Click the purple Publish button in the upper right. Then choose Copy Link to get a shareable URL. You can paste this link into emails, chats, or your website to start collecting responses immediately. Google Forms saves changes automatically, so your survey is ready the moment you publish. That's it. You've created and shared a polished online survey with Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and good luck gathering great feedback.